I'm still just eating kicks. It's early in the morning. I gotta eat kicks. It's really good. There's what you guys have been thinking. Well, what I've been thinking. Well, I haven't uploaded a video yet on this channel. Well, basically, I have to do entire antics with the guys. So, here we go. Antics number 1. Coming right at you. After this short message. Well then. Free kicks for everyone. Don't want any kicks? Fine. Because we're doing the Chubby Bunny Challenge. Get ready to stuff your crazy trousers. The things I do for YouTube. Okay, plan number 2, I'm actually gonna try to dump all this in my mouth. I would do this for you guys, trust me. I don't think it worked. You know what? Plan B. Oh. You're welcome. I'm sorry I had to see that. They're pretty good though, but when there's too much in your mouth, then you gotta spit it out. I'm so sorry I had to see that. It's just me being stupid. If anyone's watching this, then I'm sorry I had to see that. You know what? Plan B. One at a time. There's hair in here. Again, I'm sorry I had to see that. Plan D. Spoon. Oh, look. Oh. Okay, plan E. Giant spoon. Okay, I just can't do this. Never mind what I think. You guys must see this. Plan F. 2 spoons. Doesn't matter what I think. How does one get stuck in my very weird teeth? Don't ask. You dare not ask. Oh boy, my parents are gonna kill me for playing G. I'm gonna close this so you guys can see. Alright. They're gonna kill me for this. Well, pausing the video. Oops, I just spilled some. I sound like Kyle from Studio C a little bit. Disclaimer, do not dress at home in your sister's closet. Your parents will sue you, and you will suffocate with a bunch of kicks in your mouth. It's about 5 a.m. in the morning, so why does it matter? Well, we'll get to see you next time. Let's celebrate. Woo!